Hello everybody, it's Lee, Ross Rod Shop. Today I'm on this F250. We've got a rear door here that won't open. Usually what it is the clips that hold the cable to the latch. They're made out of plastic and they usually break. They make some replacements, and I'll show those in just a minute, that are made out of metal. They'll last longer. We got to start by getting the door panel off to where we can get inside the door, pop the latch, get the door open, make it a little bit easier to work on. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just pop these two screws out here. The door panel should pop off. I think there's a couple more screws underneath this panel, and we'll get that off and I'll be right back. Okay, as you can see, I just took these two screws out that hold this on, and then it just snaps off. Then under here, there's two 8mm bolts here. Should be able to pull that out. Then we can get our hand inside there and manually release the latch so we can get the door open. Okay, once you get them two 8mm bolts out right here, you just lift up on the door panel and it comes right off. Then you can see your latch right here. And you can manually just work it with your hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this popped and get the door open. Okay guys, as you can see right here is your cable for your door latch, and these little things right here break, these plastic pieces that attach the cable to the door latch. And you can look, that one on the bottom is broke and the one on the top is broke as well. That's for the lower latch, and there's an upper latch. And what you have to do is take these Torx bit screws out, pull your latch out, disconnect your cable from here, and then you have to rerun. They sell these little metal clips here that replace these plastic ones, and then put your cables back in the door. You got to take the lower latch out as well, and then attach this to your lower latch before you put it back in the door, and then feed it up here. And then attach it to the latch up here, feed it down through the door, and then attach it back here. And that's how you fix these doors when they won't open. It's just the plastic clips. When they get old, they break. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these cables out, get the latches out, and then I'll show you how I'm to put them back together in just a second. All right, this is what the cable will look like when you get these plastic ends replaced. It just slips down on there. The cable slides through that little groove. You put one on each end, and then it'll snap into clips in the latch. So I'm gonna get the latch out and I'll show you. Okay guys, got the door back together. Working like a champ. Close and open. Closed and open. Just take your time, get all the latches put back together, get everything slid in there, and it'll work out just fine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.